The makeup is going to look cakey. That's just the truth of the matter. Keep your skin protected. Of recent, I started using more of pink blushes. Hi guys, so I'm about to do my makeup for content creation, and I just wanted to show you how I do like my base routine. I like this hair so much. I just installed it on. If you see the construction is under my head, you'll be so shocked, but it came out really cute. So let's get into the video. So first things first, I'm going to be cleaning my face. You want to start off with a clean base. I cannot emphasize this more. I've had my baths, but it's been a while, so I'm just using wipes to clean my face. The first thing I'm going to be using is my toner. This is from Dr. Rachel. It's a hydrating toner. Just put some on my hand, rub it in, and help into my skin. I'm going to now go in with another kind of toner. This is like a rose water toner. I like to use it because it just has this refreshing and soothing feel on my face. Tap it into my skin. You really want to, if you know you're going to be out for a very long time, you have to prep your skin properly. You want to have like a hydrated skin underneath all those makeup. I'm now going to go in with moisturizer. For both oily and dry skin, you need to moisturize your skin. Combination skin, you need to moisturize because your skin needs it. So basically, you want like a prepped canvas, something that is going to absorb the makeup well. If your face is dry and ashy, the makeup is going to look cakey. That's just the truth of the matter. Since I'm going to have the makeup on for a while and I'm going to be going out, I'm going to be using my sunscreen. You just want to have it on your face, under your makeup, just to keep your skin protected. And lastly, for skin prep, I always go in with a lip balm. I do this basically because by the time I'm doing my lips, it's not going to be crusty and ashy and flaky, because you don't want your lips to be dry. Don't do that. I'm going to be going in with two primers. I'm going to first use the Mystic Aqua Grip Primer, and then I'll go in with the Ezekiel Oil Free Primer. This is just to put that, like, to have that grip on my face with the makeup, and this is so that like my T-zone area can be mattified a little, since I'm going to be out for a while. Next thing I'm going to be using is this oil-free powder. This is from Zahil. This is one of my favorite powders. So I'm going to be using it to just set my T-zone anywhere that I put the mattifying primer, the oil-free primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using these two foundations. This is Ezekiel Skin Pro Filter in OMG 1013, and this is from Zahil. This is their Stain Matte Foundation in Z40. I'm going to be using my beauty blender that has the foundation on it to blend. I do this just basically so that it doesn't have so much lifting when I'm blending it into my skin. So because of the way I apply, it has like more coverage than it would if I just went in with my beauty blender directly. So whatever I have left on my beauty blender, I just use it to cover up my forehead. If I didn't have a lace on, I would have gone in with more foundation on my forehead. I'm going to go in with my setting spray. This is from Ezekiel Cosmetics, and I'm just going to set my foundation before I continue with my makeup. Just a light spray will do the trick. This is from Divine Gold. I've had it for a while. I got it as a PR as a foundation, but it's way too dark for my skin tone. It's for my skin itself in general, so I use it as contour now. Blush, I'm going to be using Zickel and Ginica blush. It's a very nice blush. Obviously, I started using more of pink blushes. So what I do is I would mix this with like a brighter concealer and a little bit of pink blush effect because of the whole Painted by Esther, what do you call it, trend. And I didn't know if I was going to like it at first, but I liked it. I actually did like it. I'm going to be using the Omaje Buttermelt Concealer in shade Toffee. I'm going to use this to conceal like everywhere first, like everywhere I need to conceal. That's my T-zone area, under my eyes, and then I'll go in with like a much brighter concealer. I'm going to use a blending brush first, just to blend it out. I like using it because it gives like a more finer covered finish. Now I'm going to use my beauty blender just to blend it all out. Just to give it like a more airbrushed look. Using this concealer from Zickel, I don't want it to be too bright, so I'm going in with this one. It's just a little bit brighter than the concealer I normally use. I'll let this dry down on my face for a while and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to set my face again with my setting spray. This time I fully drench it because I know that I want to set my cream products before I now go in with powder products. So this part that I'm not using is just dab in the setting spray into my face, just lightly. So this will just help to like marinate the whole product into your skin, make it blend in together. So at this point, if you feel like you need more blush, you need more contour, you can go ahead and add before you now start setting. To set my under eye, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder. This is in NC55. I like to use a powder puff while setting. So after using my powder puff, I'm going to go in with a brush. For the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this powder. It is golden bronze. I'm going to use it to set the rest of my face before I powder contour, and use powder brush. using a more fluffy brush. To bake, I'm going to be using a pressed powder. It has like this bright feel, like it's brighter than my normal skin tone, so that's why I'm using it. Just realized that I forgot blush. For blush, I'm going to be using the Ezekiel You Make Me Blush palette. So now I'm done with my face. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes, like my eyebrow and my eyeshadow off camera. Then I'll just show you guys how I round it up. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from this video as well. But yeah, this is my base routine. This is what I do to have that flawless base every single time, and I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. I really enjoyed making it. I like the look, I like the lips, I like it. It's nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.